Future Music sound design session, we're going to look at 3 tips for designing your own unique techno bass elements. Firstly, when paired with a suitable 4-to-the-floor kick drum, any segment of rumble can become a thunderous techno bass line. Loop a chunk of a field recording featuring some rumble. Transpose it to taste. Then get the signal pumping in between each kick. And apply a low-pass filter for instant warehouse vibes. Our second tip involves the use of a kick drum. Load a kick in a sampler. Then drag the sample start point in a bit to remove the drum hit's nose and isolate the bassy tail. Then simply program a MIDI pattern that fits around your main kick. Finally, a wash of bass-heavy reverb can provide that signature techno low end. Send your kick signal to a reverb bus. Pitch this reverb signal down a bit for weight. Isolate and center those subfrequencies with a low-pass filter and a stereo imaging tool. And if you need more sub-content, you can always try a sub-bass enhancer plugin. Finally, use a volume shaping plugin or two to pump the signal around the kick and create groove.